Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Tanya Neja and this is Market Today, a show where we'll get you all the latest market updates, stocks and sectors that are buzzing in and much more. And dream run continues for the Indian markets as we speak. 67,000. We have reclaimed that mark on Sensex, 224 points uptick there. And Nifty also has reclaimed that 19,800 mark as we speak. 58 points uptick there as well. Now broader markets, they also continue to outperform, and mid cap and small cap, they have been doing phenomenally well, and 36,814 level there on mid cap, 219 points uptick there. Small cap also 11,407 record highs for broader markets, 88 points uptick there on small cap as well. Now let's see where's the stocks that are doing well, some of the top gainers. Let's pull up that for you. And clearly, it's the NTPC stock that is the top performer of the day, 2.83% higher, uptick there, 192. And Goldman Sachs has initiated its coverage on this particular stock, and the positive impact clearly seen on this particular counter. IndusInd Bank on the back of good set of numbers, 2% uptick there, 1422 level. Bajaj Finance also trading in the green, 2% uptick there as well, 7572 level on that particular counter. And SBI back in the green. It was the top loser yesterday, but one of the top gainers in today's trading session, 1.5% uptick there. Ultratech Cement, BPCL, some of the other gainers for you. And now let's see, on the flip side, which are the top losers in today's trading session. Now, clearly, it's the metal pack, and especially some of the names from that sector. Hindalco down around 1%. Bajaj Auto, some auto names, and Bharti Airtel also in the red, down around 1%. And some of the IT counters, they are not able to participate in today's rally. TCS, Infi, and Tech Mahindra, they are not really able to support the markets as we speak. Maruti Suzuki and Eicher Motors, some of the auto names, down 0.5% and in the red as we speak. And sectorally also, if we see the different sectors, barring FMCG and IT, all the sectors are in the green as we speak, especially PSU banks. Nifty PSU Bank is up around 1.5 odd %, and Bank of Maharashtra on the back of good set of numbers. The top gainers from this pack, PNB, Canara Bank, Union Bank, SBI, all are up to the tune of 1 to 3% in today's trading session. But now it is important to understand, that where are the markets headed going forward, which are the sectors and stocks that you can bet on. So to discuss this, let's welcome our guest on the show today. We have with us Mr. Raghavendra Singh. He's an independent market expert. Thank you so much, Mr. Singh, for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today Television. Let's start with the markets only. 67,000 again. We have reclaimed that mark on Sensex, 19,800 for Nifty. What's next for the Indian markets?
Very good afternoon, Tanya. As far as Nifty and Bank Nifty is concerned, we have seen, fantabulous rally in last 1 week and 15 days. So I'm expecting again Nifty should touch 20,000 level very soon. Downsides 19,700 have very strong support because there is a huge open interest on put side. So I'm expecting Nifty to touch 20,000 very soon.
Okay, 20,000, not that far away. In fact, we are not that far away from 70,000 level for Sensex. Let's see how this pans out going forward. But let's talk about the stocks that are in focus, HUL and Infosys, ahead of their Q1 earnings. So HUL is expected to see moderation in revenue growth, mainly due to, the base effect of price increases and cuts. And volume growth is likely to inch up to about 6%, led by home care and personal care segments. If we talk about Infi, the revenue in US dollar and rupee terms is expected to grow less than 1% on a sequential basis, while the margin is likely to remain flat. How are you approaching these two stocks, and what should investors really do, ahead of Q1 earnings?
So HUL is looking strong on the chart. So on downside, the HUL has strong support at 2630. If we sustain above 2670, we can see 2730, 2750 level. Apart from that, the Infosys has already given a decent run in this, on last 1 week, 15 days. So I'm expecting Infosys to touch 1500 above level very soon. Downside, 1430, 1460 is the support from where I'm expecting stock to go up.
Okay, absolutely. That's the levels that are coming in. So keep an eye on that. And also, one stock is in focus, Mr. Singh, and that is NTPC. So basically, shares of NTPC, they jumped around 5%, and the stock is actually trading at 15-year high as well. And this is after Goldman Sachs initiated its coverage on this large cap PSU stock with a buy rating, and they have given a price target of 265 rupees on the stock, and this suggests an upside potential of over 40%. How are you looking at this particular stock and the PSU space as?
NTPC has given a very good breakout after a year. 183, 184 was the resistance level from where it has given a decent run up. I'm expecting NTPC to cross 198, 200 level in this week, maybe on Monday, Tuesday. And apart from that, yes, overall are looking very good. PSU Bank have given a very good breakout. SBI is on my card that SBI should go above 620, 625 level. Apart from that, Maharashtra Bank has given very good result. See, Tanya, if you see the NPA level of the all PSU banks, they are going to improve and they are improving quarter by quarter. So I'm expecting PSU bank to go up, from here onwards.
Okay, and apart from PSU banks, if we talk about PSU space, are there any stocks that are on your radar?
REC and PFC is there. These two stocks are looking good. Investors should add this stock in their portfolio.
Okay, absolutely. So these stocks, keep an eye on that. And let's talk about IT stocks as well. I mean, they continue to be in focus, and we have seen a stellar rally. I think after remaining under pressure for a long time, IT stocks have seen an up move. However, we are seeing a reversal happening in today's trading session, and these large caps like Infi, TCS, Tech Mahindra, they're all down. 0.5% to 1% in today's trading session, and HCL Tech is now trading flat. But how should one really approach this sector? Because street is divided when it comes to IT sector. Some experts believe the worst is behind. Some experts believe that there's still some pain left. What are your thoughts?
Uh, IT stocks has given a decent run, and I'm bullish in this sector from past 1 month. So I'm
Okay.
continuously telling on your platform that buy IT stocks, hold for next 2 to 3 months. I'm expecting Infosys, TCS, Wipro, all to give good run up from here onward. L&T Technology has given a decent run up. I'm expecting again 10 to 15% run up on the higher side in all IT stocks.
Okay, absolutely. And Mr. Singh, if we talk about small cap and mid cap, so small cap index is up over 30% from its March lows, and the small cap funds also, they've seen highest ever inflows of around 5,500 crores. And if we talk about, this is for the month of June, this is for the June month, and if we talk about the first half of 2023, it was around 18,000 crores. So, what are your thoughts? I mean, what's the reason of excitement, and any stocks that are on your radar from the broader markets?
Just small cap and mid cap have given a decent run up, and I'm still bullish in this sector. There are so many stocks who have not given a run up, So I'm expecting Bharat Wire is the stock. Bharat Wire is looking good on the chart. Apart from that, there are 2 3 stocks. Apar Industry has given good run up. I'm expecting again 38 3900 level. Bharat Wire I'm expecting 220 230 level. So these are the stocks which I'm focusing right now. Apart from that, there are so many stocks, MCX, who is looking good. So I'm expecting MCX also to touch 1800 level. So small cap and mid cap, there will be some profit booking also. But there are these 2 3 stocks which are still giving good run up.
Okay, absolutely. That's the verdict coming on broader markets. But if you talk about some other stocks as well, Mr. Singh, it's going to be an action-packed week, and we have, so many results like stocks with the likes of HDFC Life, Hindustan Zinc, Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Yes Bank, Coforge, Emphasis, they are gonna, report their earnings on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So, any stocks, ahead of especially Q1 earnings that we should watch out for?
Kotak Bank is looking good. Kotak Bank has given a good breakout above 1860, 1870. So I'm expecting Kotak Bank to touch 1950, 1960. 1960 is the strong resistance level. Once this stock cross 1960 and above that, then we can see 2000, 2020 level. ICICI Bank is looking good. ICICI Bank has given good run up, but still there is some hope left in this stock. So I'm expecting ICICI Bank to touch 1000 level.
Okay, absolutely. And any stocks from FMCG space? I mean, today we see this space is under pressure, and stocks like Nestle India. Obviously, HUL is in focus, but apart from HUL, ITC, Nestle India, these stocks are also in focus. Ahead of their numbers. So, any stocks that you're watching, and what are your thoughts on FMCG space?
I am bullish in ITC. ITC I'm adding at every day. ITC I'm looking to cross 500 levels very soon. So ITC is looking good. Apart from that, HUL I'll just wait for HUL quarterly result. After that, definitely I'll make my call to buy or sell this stock.
Okay, and lastly, Mr. Singh, what about Reliance Industries? The stock is also in focus.
Reliance, yeah. So Reliance Industry, I'm waiting for demerger tomorrow. If there is some, after the demerger, definitely I'm going to make my call. Still, I'm very much bullish in Reliance. I'm expecting 2930, 2900 above level very soon. So yes, but after the demerger, I have to check all the pros and cons about this stock. Uh, Reliance Financial and other things.
Okay, absolutely. And any sector, according to you, which has still some steam left, because the kind of run up, sharp run up that we have seen in a lot of sectors, though IT has not participated that much, but some other sector, any theme that you're watching, especially for the near term?
There are two, three stocks which I would like to mention here. SBI, as I said, SBI is looking good above 600. Apart from
Okay.
that, SDFC Bank has given a good breakout. So rounding bottom pattern is there in the SDFC Bank. So I'm expecting 1720 in SDFC Bank with the stop loss of 1648. So these two stocks I'm very much bullish, and I have recommended to my clients also.
Any specific sectors?
Metal and PSU banks, these two stocks, these two sectors are looking good right now.
Okay. So, on that wonderful note, thank you so much, Mr. Singh, for sharing these ideas
Thank
with
you so
us
much.
and being with us here on Business Today Television. So, with that, let's wrap up this edition. And if you look at the markets right now, still holding on to the gains, 326 points uptick there on Sensex, 67,121 odd level, and 19,835 on Nifty, 85 points uptick there. Clearly, it's stock specific action that is there, and obviously some stocks performing on the back of good set of numbers. So let's see how this pans out going forward. So with that, let's wrap up, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. So stay tuned for all the latest market updates, and then thanks for watching.